So here we are at the Delaware Water Gap Recreational Area. We are in New Jersey where we hiked to yesterday, and now Younger and Smoothie King are going to start their ride back home, and we are going to hike on. And so just like to thank them for coming. I know that it's a sacrifice on their part. They had to drive 13 hours to get here, and now they'll have to drive 13 hours to get back to Tennessee. And they had to take days off work. So just a whole lot of sacrifice to come out here and hike with us. And just want to say I really appreciate it. I enjoyed the time with them. It was a great time. So thank you to both of them, and wishing them well on the ride home. They will not get to go through Scranton, Pennsylvania and visit the scene of The Office because it's just not what it's packed up to be. And so they've decided to cancel that from their return trip home. The only thing they would see is the clock tower from The Office, and that's not worth driving that far out of their way just to know what time it is. But I'm sure they'll have plenty of office conversation on the way home, so that'll make up for it. But again, all joking aside, thanks to both of them. I've really enjoyed the last 2-3 days, and it means a lot to me, so thanks. And now, as far as us, it's time for us to hike on. Yeah, another one of our little friends. The Sunfish Pond Nature Area. No camping, no fires, take your trash out, and no swimming. Sunfish Pond has been designated a registered national landmark under the provisions of the Historic Sites Act of August 21st, 1935. This site possesses exceptional value in illuminating the natural history of the United States. U.S. Department of the Interior, National Park Service, 1970. Cool. 7. Oh, very peaceful. Just another look at Sunfish Pond here, 5 miles into New Jersey. Just a nice, relaxing, calm environment. Well, there it is, everybody. 1,300 miles on the Appalachian Trail. We've done it. One more milestone in the bank. And just walking along the path and come to this view window and can't resist just stopping to look at it for a minute. Nice. pathway's gotten pretty constricted here. Vegetation right up on you for the last mile or two, so different look. And as you can see, well, we left Pennsylvania. The rocks haven't been bad at all, but they're still here. Just walking along, and off the right side of the trail is this great view. Man, I love being out here today. I'm sad that Younger had to leave and go back home. Really enjoyed hiking with him. Really wish he was still here, but he's not. But I still have the beauty of our world, the beauty of America. Awesome. So we are here on top of Raccoon Ridge. It's at mile marker 1304, and the elevation is only 1,500 feet, but it has a great view, and we've got about a 300-degree view from here. I was not even aware we were going to cross this. But this is just a great viewpoint. You guys just seen in that previous, back when I first started this, the Delaware River. I'm not sure what body of water that is right there. Some lake. And then around to this Radio Tower Hill. But man, what a great view. Oh, so glad we came here. Oh man. Just getting some really great views today. New Jersey does not have a lot of elevation, but they're definitely making the best of what they do have along the trail. This is very nice. Definitely a bird's eye view. We are up in the Catfish Fire Tower, and can't go all the way up into the top, but we're right below the top deck. A little bit of an overcast. It's kind of drizzling just a little bit now. But still, got a great view. Obviously, when you're up in a fire tower. Otherwise, there's no purpose for the fire tower. Again, not a flower person, just some new flowers that are new to me that are sitting here beside the trail. Pretty cool. We are here on top of Rattlesnake Ridge, somewhere around mile marker 1315 in New Jersey. Again, a little bit of an overcast day, but still a nice view. Very nice. So it's 6 o'clock in the evening. We have been 22 miles and we got right at half a mile left to the Brink Road shelter. And so we're close. We will get to that shelter. We'll see how many people are there. I get the feeling there's some people there, because I've been seeing tracks, fresh tracks near water sources. So I tend to think there's at least a couple people there. Bottom line is, if the shelter's not full, I think we'll just grab a spot in the shelter. Feeling kind of lazy after doing that movement across there. And it's supposed to rain sometime tonight, so we'll see. If it's full, no worries. We have our tent, we'll set up our tent, and we'll do what we know to do. So Stay tuned. More to follow in a short period of time. I think it'll take us about probably 15, 20 minutes max, and we'll be there. Well, everybody, we are here. We're set up. Our tent. The shelter is back over that way. Probably about 40, 50 yards. And so we've gotten water, we've gotten dinner, and we're just communicating with friends and family now, chilling out. Good day, went 22 miles over varied terrain. Kind of really reminded me of southern Pennsylvania, where you get some areas where it's really rocky, and then other areas where it's just really good trail. So it just bounced back and forth. But anyways, couple good views and good hiking. And so now tomorrow we'll go to a shelter, High Point Shelter, that's just under 20 miles away, and we'll shoot for that. Tomorrow is supposed to be rainy most of the day, so we're probably going to try to get up around 5 and get packed before the rain sets in. Hopefully we'll be successful in that, so at least we're not packing away a wet tent. So anyways, yeah, I think that's it for today. So hopefully you enjoyed the day, and we will talk to you tomorrow.